Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 28th, 2025, we're analyzing the SPY, or S&P 500, taking into account recent news and events alongside the chart data. The market's been reacting to Nvidia's earnings and optimism surrounding potential UCU trade deals, so let's see how these headlines correlate with the SPY's performance. First, let's recap some of the top news from today based on our Google search. We see that the market is struggling for traction, and all eyes are on Nvidia earnings, which are a major test after May's tech comeback. Also, optimism for a UCU trade deal is growing as talks speed up after Trump's delay to 50% tariffs. Now, let's dive into the technical analysis, starting with the daily chart. We can see a broad overview of the SPY's movement over the past several months. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a high of 591.15 around the end of May. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, we can see more granular price action leading up to today, May 28th, 2025. We can see more detail here with the hourly timeframe than on the daily, as to be expected. It looks like the market has had a pretty volatile month here. Now let's look at the 15-minute chart, focusing on the most recent days, specifically May 27th and May 23rd. Here, we're looking for any potential intraday patterns or levels that could influence short-term trades. As you can see, after 586.07 on May 27th, SPY peaked a bit before starting a downward trend. Going back to the daily chart, let's identify some key price levels to watch. A potential support level could be around 575, which acted as a bounce point a few times in March. On the upside, resistance might be found near 595, where the price previously struggled to break through in November 2024. If we break that, we'll be looking at 600. Considering the news of potential trade deals, a bullish scenario could see the SPY testing the 600 level in the short term, maybe 610 by next month, especially if Nvidia's earnings are strong. However, a bearish scenario could unfold if trade deal talks stall or Nvidia's earnings disappoint, potentially leading to a retest of the 575 support level. Keep an eye on volume and momentum indicators like the RSI to confirm any potential breakouts or breakdowns. Important price levels to remember: support around 575, resistance near 595, and a longer-term target of 600 or more in a bullish scenario. Be prepared for volatility around major news events, and always manage your risk appropriately. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts. Like and subscribe for more in-depth market analysis.